Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's episode will be dealing with another type of sensory processing disorder, which is the proprioception. Proprioception refers to the sensors or in our tendon, ligaments, muscles, and joints that gives us information about where our body parts are and what they are doing without looking at them. For instance, you know that this is your hand. You know the position of the hand. And when your hand is touching a substance, you know what the hand is touching without necessarily looking at the hand. So that is the work of the proprioception. Proprioceptions, the sensors in our tendons, ligaments, and muscles gives us the information of where our body parts are and what they are doing without you necessarily looking at the body parts. The proprioceptors are also activated by resistance to these muscles and joints. And such resistance can be gotten from pushing, pulling, carrying heavy substance, stretching, and all that. So children who have sensory processing disorder often come down with proprioceptive difficulties, and they have issues with carrying things, knowing where their body parts are in place. That's why sometimes when you have a child who has proprioceptive difficulties and you ask the child to draw a human being, is not able to draw the human being with their body parts in place because that proprioceptive difficulty is there. Example of proprioceptive signs of proprioceptive is that you have the ability to touch your nose. You can touch your nose with your finger without necessarily looking at your finger or looking at your nose. You know where your finger is and you know the position of your nose. So even with your eyes closed, you can have your finger touch your nose because your proprioceptive sense is in place, is intact. There is no problem with it. But those who have proprioceptive difficulties have problem knowing where their body parts are, and they have problem with knowing where they are and what they are doing without looking at them. There are so many activities that can be done to activate our proprioceptors to enable them to function well. And proprioceptive difficulties come down with certain behaviors. In my next video, I'll be talking about the behaviors that are associated with proprioceptive difficulties. And in the next video, I'll be talking about the activities that can be done to activate our proprioceptors for them to be able to function well. Please, if you know that this piece of video is actually helping you, click the notification button, subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will be among the first to get my next video when it drops. Thank you.